Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make this amazing Among Us character. So here is the list of the material you will need to make it. So for the body I am using a strip of 2 cm and I have used total 15 strips of paper for it. We will roll it like this. So guys, it will look like this after completing. Now secure the end. So now for the head, I am using 3 mm strip and I have joined total 15 strips of paper for it. Secure the end. So now with the help of quilling mold we will give it a shape. It will look like this, and now you can glue inside it and secure the shape. So now we will make legs. I have used 2 strips for it. So here we will need total 3 parts. Stick it together like this. Complete both the legs. So now we'll start with the back part. I have used total 7 strips of paper for this. Do not secure the end. Loose it like this with the quilling board. Now secure the shape and give it a square-like shape. So let's start assembling it. So guys, it will look like this after completing. So now we'll add the upper part. So I have already cut a piece of paper and painted it like this. So now I'll stick it to the body. So guys, it is the end of our tutorial. If you like my ideas, please subscribe to my channel. If you want more and more ideas for this or any character, you can follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching and don't forget to drop a like.